What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video in the WordPress social media SEO and traffic generation course. This video I'll be going over video creation and how to get high quality videos created for your website in order to increase viewer engagement and in the end sales. So there are many ways you can get high quality videos created for your website. It really depends on what kind of video you want to get for your website. There are Fiverr testimonials, there are whiteboard videos, and there's the green screen and camera videos, which are very advanced. I highly don't recommend doing this until you start making money with your website. But what green screen and camera videos are is basically you set up a mini studio in your house with a green screen with proper lighting with a high quality camera, get in front of the camera and start talking and delivering content to your users. This is the best way to deliver trust and how to get sales and instill trust in your list and whatnot, because they see your face, they see who you are. When they see your name, they'll automatically associate a face with it, and if you can associate face, it becomes more personal and becomes more trustworthy, and they end up buying more stuff for you. So you need to, as I said before, in order when you're creating a list, you want to create a sense of trust between you and the prospects, and videos with your face on camera is one of the best ways to do that. But people don't usually do that until they get more advanced because of the equipment it takes. What you can also do, instead of green screen camera, if you don't have the money, because green screen camera can get expensive, you can just do like iPhone in a white background. That could work just as well. iPhone camera is actually really high quality. It shoots some pretty nice videos. I'm pretty sure iPhone shoots like 1080p video, and audio should be fine as long as you set the camera at a decent distance, not too far away where they can pick up your voice. Or you can use like a Blue Yeti microphone that I'm using right now and use that and edit the video and combine the two video and audio files. So that's a cheaper option. It works just as well, especially if you're a newbie. This would probably be better, iPhone and white background. And green screen and camera, if you want to go get a green screen and camera, what you need to do is buy a green screen. So you can head on over to eBay and search for green screen. It's $40. You need to get something like this, 180 with all the lighting. So $180, free shipping. You get a green screen, all the lighting. You definitely need the lighting because your house lighting will probably not cut it. And a camera, high quality camera, a Nikon HD video or something like that. One of these cameras are expensive. Don't get one of these crappy cameras right here, these little digital. You need a camera like this to shoot HD, because things every time you compile a video, the quality goes down a bit. So when you're moving it from your camera to your computer, the quality goes down a bit, and then when you render it on your computer to an MP4 file, the quality goes down a little bit, and then when you go from the MP4 file and upload it to YouTube or another server, the quality goes down even more. So even though it shoots decent video, by the time you actually get it on YouTube, it'll be pretty crappy. So you need to get a high quality camera where it shoots very high quality, so even when you upload on video on YouTube or somewhere else, it's still really decent. That's what you can do if you have a decent amount of money to spend, or iPhone and white background. As I said, everyone should have a white background in your house. If not, just go to a fabric store and buy a big white fabric and just tape it onto the wall and put your iPhone in front of it. Another one is whiteboard videos. If you haven't seen what a whiteboard video looks like, you can go to YouTube and just simply type in whiteboard video, and this is what whiteboard video looks like. It's just someone using a hand and writing stuff. So these are really high quality, and they're really engaging to users, and they help in conversions a lot, and they look really cool. They're kind of unique. And the way you can do this for cheap by yourself is use a service called videoscribe.co. That's the URL right there. I'll copy and paste it into the PowerPoint slide so you guys have access to it. And what this is an online service that allows you to create your own whiteboard videos. I'm just going to play this video right here because it just explains it perfectly. It's only a minute long. You can see videos that draw themselves. So this is the process of creating a video through VideoScribe. You can choose images, choose the text that you want it to show. You can add music. And and then the different hand types that you want, or you can have a pen. Voiceovers, you can add voiceovers if that's what you want, and then once you compile it, it shows like that. That's the video you just created. As you can see, it's really easy, and there's a free trial with VideoScribe, or you can just, it's only $12 a month if you want to pay, so it's really affordable for almost everyone who wants to use it or who wants to get into internet marketing. And another one, in order to increase conversions, testimonials are great. The number one way should be testimonials from previous customers. You can send out an email to your list saying, hey, I'm looking for a video testimonial. Anyone who sends me a video testimonial will get a free copy of a next product or something like that. And this should usually get a decent amount of people to send you video testimonials. But if you don't have a list currently, you can use Fiverr, where you send people on Fiverr a copy of your product and they'll create you a video testimonial. So you can go ahead and head on over to Fiverr.com and search for testimonial. And then again, make sure it's sorted by highest rating. And if you hover over, you'll see the amount of feedback and the stars they have. This guy has 5 stars, 1,000 feedback, 129, 1,000, 104. Anything over like 20 is really good. So I'm just gonna take a look at this, and he has an example of his video up here, or he should, yeah. So you just click on it. As you can see, he does a pretty good testimony. It looks really natural. The best part's only $5, and you can include HD video for $15. I highly recommend that. You can do a 2-minute testimonial. I think these though $5 testimonials are only 1 minute long. So if you want 2 minute, you can add $15 and whatnot. This is his listing details. So he give him a script. Add pronunciations if you need. The mood, relief, ecstatic, grateful, approach, and then you must provide a script. So you just got to provide a script for him. So that's it for Fiverr. There's tons of people. You can spend $100 and get 8 testimonials off Fiverr, and that's perfect. That's all you really need to get testimonials. So that's it for the video creation video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.